Hi, and welcome to this video on how to add network to Trust Wallet. First, open Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main wallet page. To add a network, tap the two-circle icon at the top right corner. This will take you to a page displaying all the available networks. As you can see, all the cryptocurrency networks are listed here. The networks I primarily use are highlighted in blue, while the others remain white, indicating they're not turned on. If you can't find the network you want to use, simply type its name in the search bar. For example, if I want to add the Arbitrum network and it's not visible in the list, I'll just type Arbitrum. As you can see, it appears under the Ethereum network. Tap on it, and it will turn blue, meaning it's now added to your favorite networks. To confirm, I'll go back to the main wallet page, and as you can see, the Arbitrum network is now active and listed in my wallet. That's how you add a network to Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.